A quick way to automate your home is by using smart plugs to control lights and other electrical devices. And these SP10 smart plugs from Teckin are a good choice whether you're just starting out with home automation or you're just looking to expand. The smart plugs come in single packs, but I recommend getting the 4-pack because eventually you'll probably want more than one, and it's only $30 for all of them. The actual plugs are pretty small and the only thing on it is a power button on the side. Each smart plug can control only one plug-in device through your phone or voice assistant, and in this video I'll show you the complete setup process for how you can connect them. First, download the Smart Life app to your phone. In the app, tap the plus button at the top right, and then in the device list, select a Wi-Fi socket. Now power on the plug and then press and hold the power button. When the light starts blinking rapidly, hit the confirm button in the app. Next, enter your Wi-Fi password. The Teckin smart plugs only work on 2.4 GHz, so be sure you're on the correct network and then tap confirm. The app will now set up your smart plug through your network. And just so you know, this part can take more than a minute to complete. One thing you might want to do is rename the plug. This will really be helpful later since this is a 4-pack. And to connect the other plugs, just repeat the setup process for each one. Turning on the socket is easy with a big button in the middle of the app. And there's also a scheduler so you can set automatic on and off times when you're away from home. There's also a sleep timer on the plug. This can be handy to quickly set an off time for your lights. And with the app you can control your lights anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. To control multiple plugs, I can set up a group and have different sets of plugs come on or off at the same time. To set up a group, tap the pencil icon at the top right and then select Create Group. Any device that is plugged in can be added to the group. And you can see why I renamed each plug here. I also found it handy to label each plug visually to tell them apart. I really like the round design, but because of the shape you can't plug two of these in the same wall receptacle. And some power adapters might not fit either. With this one from a pencil sharpener, I was able to barely squeeze it in. With other cords there won't be any issue. And before I forget, here's how to connect the Teckin smart plugs to Alexa. In the Alexa app, tap the hamburger menu at the top left, and then tap on Skills and Games. Now do a search for the Smart Life skill. It's the one with the blue house icon. I already had mine set up months ago, but just follow the on-screen instructions from your phone here. Now I can use Alexa to control my plugs. Alexa, fish light on. Alexa, Smart Socket 2 on. Alexa, Group 5 off. And just so you know, what you name the plug in the Smart Life app is what you'll call the plug in Alexa. If you're looking to automate your home, Teckin really has some affordable devices like plugs, switches, bulbs, and more to make your home smart. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.